read them. So I want to talk about this now. And आप मुझे इस बात का बताओ that why does lobbying in Washington matter so much for India and Pakistan?
So, look, nobody wants to talk about the kind of corruption that happens in America. Okay. Lobbying is totally legal out there. The problem is that you first have a completely useless embassy there. There were few exceptions. Ronen Sen was one very good ambassador we had. Uh, Maybe we've had one or two good ambassadors since then, but mostly the people who go there are looking for post retirement gigs out there. Or it's given as a plum posting, like the current ambassador there. He's been around for about 10, more than 10 years. When he was in India, when he was Joint Secretary America, the Americans at the embassy hated him, the Americans in America hated him, and he reciprocated. He hated them. I don't know who started it, but anyway. Now, you take somebody who's antagonistic to America, who goes there, does not engage at all with their political class. A is that you either employ lobbying firms, or B, you build personal relationships. Quatra does not build personal relationships. You do not have a proper lobbying firm. Then what happens? See, lobbying there is totally legal. You go, you have to represent interests, and invariably deals are made of some kind. Even though they say there are no deals, it is all above board. It is basically, in a sense, it is legalized corruption. Technically, what is legal is you going, meeting the person, saying you're a lobbyist, and putting your facts to that person, the legislator or whatever. Now, we have not done that because we have relied on our embassy, and the embassy there has failed us spectacularly. ऑल दीज, जब टाइम अच्छा होता है, देखिए जो सब इंडियन थिंक टैंकर उधर होते हैं, वो आके कितना ये नखरा मारते हैं, ठुमका मारते हैं, झुमका मारते हैं, ये सब मारते हैं। जैसे ही टैरिफ लगा, एकदम चुप सब के सब। कोई टीवी पे नहीं आना चाहता है, कोई ऑपेड लिखना नहीं चाहता है, कोई मुंह नहीं खोलना चाहता है इस पे, है ना? सो you are playing with a third rate bureaucracy, a bunch of third rate people who have been selected to you know not represent you. uh, you think they're representing you, they're only representing their own financial interests. And तो तुम्हारा एम्बेसी भी सो रहा था, तुम्हारे नॉन एम्बेसी भी सो रहे थे, तुमने हवा को ठीक से नहीं पढ़ा। पाकिस्तान ऑन द अदर हैंड, उसका केस ही बहुत घटिया है।